Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will see what is React.js and uh, some common differences between React.js and React Native, and some advantages and disadvantages of React.js and usage of React.js, and we'll look into the features also. Yeah, this is just an introduction, introduction class to the React.js. So let's get into the class. So the definition, React.js is a open source front-end JavaScript library for building the user interfaces or UI components. So React.js is an open source front-end JavaScript library for building user interfaces for or UI components. So what is a React.js? It is a front-end JavaScript front-end JavaScript library. Front-end JavaScript library for building user interfaces or UI components. React.js versus React Native. React.js is used for building dynamic web applications. So React.js is used for using dynamic web application, which means you can communicate with the application. You can communicate with the application. And it uses a virtual DOM. It uses virtual DOM. So virtual DOM, it uses a virtual DOM to optimize rendering speed. So there will be an actual DOM. There will be an actual DOM. So the actual DOM copy is a virtual DOM. The actual DOM's copy is a virtual DOM. For example, if you made any changes, it will be changed in the virtual DOM. It is not changed in the actual DOM. So first it will change in the virtual DOM. So after changing, the changes may happen to the virtual DOM. Then virtual DOM will do required changes in the actual DOM. So that's why the rendering speed will be the website rendering speed will be increased by using this virtual DOM. React Native. React Native is used for developing native mobile apps for platforms like iOS and Android. It leverages native components for performance. Advantages of React.js. Reusable components make the code more manageable and maintainable. So you'll be having some reusable components so that you can use in your application. And the second point is virtual DOM improves app performance by minimizing direct DOM manipulation. So as I told you, direct DOM manipulation will be minimized by virtual DOM. Strong community support and a wealth of libraries and tools. You'll be having strong community support and you'll be having a lot of libraries and tools so that you can use all those things in your project management. And disadvantages of React.js. The fast pace of development can result in frequent changes, requiring developers to continuously learn. So there will be fast pace of development, there will be frequent changes in React Native libraries or React Native tools. So like the developers requires developers to run continuously. Like you have to update, the documentation will be updated day by day. Like you have to up to date. You have to check regularly the documentation and only covers the view layer of the app. So you need to choose other technologies for the backend. So the front end purpose only it will be only covers the view layer of the app. So view layer means like whatever the user which sees the application, that only you can do with React.js. So for backend, you have to choose other technologies. Use of React.js. Ideal for single page applications where you need a fast interactive user experience. Used in complex enterprise level applications due to its component based architecture. So ideal for single page application. So what is the use of React.js? It's a single page application. Single page application where you need a fast and interactive experience and used in complex enterprise level applications. So React.js will be used in the complex enterprise level applications due to its component based architecture. I hope you understand what is the uses. What is the uses? It is ideal for single page applications so that you can you need a fast and interactive user experience. You'll be having the fast and interactive user experience because of single page applications. And used in complex enterprise level applications due to its component based architecture. So it is used in the enterprise level applications, and it will be used for the single page applications also. And features of React.js, JSX, JavaScript XML. So allows writing HTML structures in the same file as JavaScript code, component, props, and states, core features that enable dynamic and responsive UI. One way data binding provides better control throughout the application. One way data binding provides better control throughout the application. So JavaScript XML allows writing HTML structures in the same file as JavaScript code. So what are the things that will be there? You'll be having components, props, and state. So these are the important things we can see in the React.js. So these things are used in the enabling dynamic and responsive UI. So one-way data binding provides better control throughout the application. So JavaScript also allows the HTML structures in the same file as the JavaScript code. So these are the some important features of the React.js. And the final conclusion is React.js is a powerful tool for front-end development, offering a balance of performance and flexibility. So this is all about introduction class to React.js. So that's it, friends. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.